Hi everyone. Today I'll be walking you through how to link records in Airtable. First, open your Airtable base and select the table where you want to see linked records. The table you selected will display with all its records and fields at the top of your screen. Next, we're going to add a new linked record field. Look at the far right end of the field names in the header row. You'll see a plus button. Click that plus button. A field type selection menu will appear. In that menu, find and click Link to another record. Once you click it, a table selection dialog appears. Now choose which table you want to link to. You can link to records in the same table if you want to create self-linking or pick a different table in your base. The Table Picker dropdown will show all your options. Once you make your selection, a field configuration panel appears. This configuration step is optional, but there are 3 settings worth knowing about. The first is Show Display Name instead of Primary Field. Toggle this on if you want to change how linked records are named in the picker. The second is Allow Linking to Multiple Records. If you turn this off, each cell can only link to one record instead of multiple. The third is Limit Record Selection to a View. Toggle this on to choose a specific view from the link table, which limits what records appear in the picker when you're manually linking. These toggles change state when you click them, so you can see what's enabled. Once you're happy with those settings, click the Create Field button at the bottom of the panel. You'll see a new column appear with your field name, and all the cells will be empty. That's normal. A corresponding linked record field is also automatically created in the table you link to. Now let's actually link some records together. Click the plus icon inside any cell in your new linked record column. This opens the linked record picker, and you'll see a list of available records. Select the record you want to link. It appears as a blue chip in the cell, and this creates a bidirectional relationship between those 2 specific records. If you enabled multiple records per cell earlier, you can keep selecting more, otherwise it's one at a time. The relationship you just created is bidirectional, so if you navigate to the linked table, you'll see the connection from that side too. Any changes you make in either table automatically carry over to the other. One thing to note, you can only select one record at a time from the picker. So if you need to link dozens of records, it's a manual process. And if you click on any of those blue chips, it'll expand and show you details from that record. That's how you link records in Airtable. You now have a relational database working for you.